Hi, welcome to the CDOCS Tip of the Day. Today let's talk about another block that you can use for your CDOCS system. This is the 3M Chairside Zirconia. This is a block that's optimized for fast sintering in your speedfire oven. The block offers a blend of high strength and high aesthetics and can be sintered in approximately 20 minutes for a thin-walled crown. The aesthetics are designed to match the Vita Classic shade guide. There's 8 shades available in 2 different block sizes, ideal for a single unit or a bridge block. The Vita shades that are available are A1, A2, A3, A3.5, B1, C1, and D2. And again, they're all designed to match ideally the Vita Classic shade guide. Because the block can be sintered fast, whether it's a single unit or a multiple unit bridge, you can boost productivity and efficiency. You get a 1,000 megapascal of flexural strength that's fast fired, and it's strong enough, as I mentioned, to use in a multitude of different clinical situations. Because of its strength, it has a very low preparation requirement. You only need 0.8 of a millimeter of thickness for the restoration, which means you can preserve healthy tooth structure. Chairside Zirconia from 3M. Check it out. You can click on the URL for more information or contact your 3M representative, but it's a great block that combines strength and aesthetics in a fast, efficient appointment. We'll see you next time on the Tip of the Day.